something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say thank you for stopping by.
And if you're interested in videos like this one,
Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do braids. If you've never done braids before, then stay tuned because this video is for you. Without much ado, let's get started. To start up, you want to make sure that the hair is clean, like braids and any hairstyle that you want to do. You want to always make sure that the hair is clean. Now, to do braid all backward straight, when you are parting the hair, what you do is the amount that you take in front, you're going to be reducing as you get to the back of the head, because if you take the same amount, your braids will not fall straight at the back. So you want to part your hair depending on the size that you're going for. So you want to make sure the size in front is not the same as the one you take behind. I don't know if I've explained that well. Now you want to part and try as much as possible that your line is clean. On this, I'll not be using any product.
I'm just a change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby. Take away the pain. Dance with me, baby. You can lead the way. Dance with me, baby.
When you get that, you want to keep this part aside so it doesn't get in your way when you're braiding. Now, like what I was explaining, if you take a look at the size, it's big, then it starts getting smaller until you get here.
We were like no other, two hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends.
Like so.
Dance with me, baby. Take away the pain.
Now, to start braiding, you take
Dance with me, baby.
the hair like so, then you divide it into three. I don't know if you can see this wall, into three like so. Now, what you want to do is, this finger is going to grab this hair here. The one you have in the middle stays. Now your hand is holding the two part of it. This other hand, you are taking it. Then the same finger, you go under this one. You go under like that. Then you grab this.
Baby, take away the pain.
Again, you grab like so. Then you use this finger to go under and grab this one. The third one stays. Then when you grab the third one, you go under and grab this one. Now when you get a good grab, what you want to do now is you will start adding. You want to take a piece of hair and add it in the hand that you have holding the hair. Now you grab, you pass it under, you take another piece of hair and add it on that,
A cure for the heartbreak.
you bring it in, you grab. You take another piece of hair and add it.
The way that you move
You bring it and grab.
me with your lips.
You take and you add. follow the same process. You pass and you grab, you add. Then when you get to the end, the one you have on your left hand, you send it into the middle, and the one you have on your right hand goes to your left hand. Then while the one in the middle is going to your right hand, the one that was in your right hand gets into the middle. Just like that. Okay, once again, you want to take your comb, make a line. Depend on the size that you're taking. You want to start as you're getting to the back of the head. You're reducing the size. Keep this aside. If you can see, if you look at the size, from here it's big. You get here, it start getting smaller until you get to the back of the head. Now you want to take a little piece, you divide it into 3. This finger goes in and take the one that was on the left. The one in the middle comes to the left, and the one in the right goes into the middle, and the one in the middle comes to the left. You get this. When you get a good grab, you want to add. You add. Just like that. You grab. You add, you take the one in the middle to the right, and if you see this finger is pressing in here, it's pressing this end so it doesn't unravel, it makes it strong. You add and you grab. This finger, the finger that is under, this finger is pressing it where you have that I don't know, joint or connection, something like that. It helps to press it down so it doesn't unravel. That will make your braid strong. But you don't want to press it too hard, because if it's on somebody's head, it's going to hurt if you press it too hard. When you get to the back, as you're holding it like this, you want to take this one, your hand now, you're turning your hand like this, and left in the middle, left, right in the middle, right. Now I'll try to do a close-up so you can see well what I'm trying to explain. This is the size I'm taking from the top of the head. Now you want to take a little piece like this, divide in 3. This finger goes under and grab this one. This hand take this one, goes under and grab this one. Then this finger is pressing down. The same, go under, grab, goes under and grab. When you get a good grab now, you want to take a little piece and add on this side. Go under and grab. You take a little piece and add on this side. You go under and grab. You want to take a piece and add. You go under, you grab, you take another piece and add. You go under and grab. Just like that. You want to continue like that until you get to the back. Guys, if you're just starting, if it is your first time to learn, try and start on a shorter hair. That will be much easier for you.
This gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, you take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other, two hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends. Played me like a song stuck in your head, but you still get my blood rushing. Dance with me, baby, you take away the pain.
Okay guys, you can see how it is behind. It all falls at the back, like everything. As I was explaining to you, the way you have to part the hair for it to fall like this, all straight behind. Not that if you take the same quantity of hair in front as you take it behind, you have hair, some braid hanging maybe at the side, because all will not fit. That reason being that the front hair is wide while the back is narrow. So you need to try as much as possible to take a larger quantity from in front, and you start reducing it when you get to the crown until you get to the back of the head. It doesn't matter the size of the braid you're doing, whether it's big braid, medium braid, or small braid, or tiny braid, you want to do the same. If not, you braid and you get to a point where you have some braid hanging and there's no hair left at the back to complete the braid from the front, and you get confused. I'm telling you this out of experience.
You see me cross the room, let's skip to the end. I wanna be what keeps you sleepless past 3 a.m. I know that we're toxic, but I like the thrill. I'd be 6 feet under.
I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more tutorials like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you have any idea, any hairstyle that you would like to learn, go ahead and drop it in the comment section, and I'll gladly do it for you. I want to thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.
I'm just a change, and tomorrow you